Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to make the best paper airplane ever. You take the long side and you fold it like a hot dog, as they call it. Oh, sorry, it's hot dog. Like that, fold in half. And then you take one side, one layer, and fold it like this. Like so. And you go to the other side and do the same thing. You're following me here? Okay, good so far. Now you open it, and it should be like this. So when you open it, you should have it like this. And you're gonna fold it, this part down, fold it all the way to the end here. Now it looks like an envelope. And then about the size of your fingernail, or your thumbnail, you're just gonna pull that little tip up like that. Then you're gonna unfold it, and you're gonna take this corner and this little line right here, and fold this corner to that, so it'll look uneven, like that. Same with the other side. Like that. And you take this, fold it up. It should look like this. And then you kind of flip it over and fold it in half. So it should look like this. And then you know pretty much the rest of the steps. Fold down and do it the other side. And then it should look like this. Look like that. And if you want to see it fly, I'll show you it. 1, 2. Flies pretty good usually, just bad in our house. But